Hey, it's Sarah and James, and it's a lovely day in Palm Springs at our new listing in Sunrise Park.
Welcome to 606 North Monterey. We have a gorgeous 1960 mid-century modern Jack Meiselman. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and about 1,200 square feet. It's absolutely stunning inside, so let's go check it out.
Come on in.
Beautiful short-term rental-friendly home is available and could be yours today.
Thank you so much for joining us today, everybody. Give us a call with any questions.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.